Hi all, welcome to the series of interview questions on Python. So this is the third question. So this is a very general question, whether Python have primitives. What I mean by primitives are whether it has any value types which on which we cannot execute any methods or we cannot access an attribute on that. Okay, like what we have in Java or JavaScript, like int string. Okay, so the int you can't execute a method on that or execute a call attribute on that. So that cannot be done on primitive data types. Okay, like int string, boolean, and all those. Whether Python have something like that? No, the answer is it does not have anything like primitives. It has only objects. Okay, so everything is an object in Python without any exclusion. Everything is object. Okay, and to add more to it. So in case of Java or JavaScript, if you take, what really happens is if you try to access the primitive as a object, like trying to access an attribute or method, what will happen is the interpreter will try to autobots it to its corresponding wrapper class. Int means it will convert to integer and it will try to autobots it implicitly and give it to you. But in case of Python, whatever is available is itself a object. So there is no need for all this autobotsing or converting to the corresponding wrapper class because whatever is available in Python is already a object. Yeah, object of the wrapper class. Okay, you have to understand. Int means it is a int object. String means it is a string object. Boolean means it is a Boolean object. Okay. So let me also show you an example. Let me open this Python IDE. Hope this is clear. So let me create a variable. Okay, AASTR. Okay. If you try to see the variable inside this AAA by putting type, you will see it is a string. It is a string object. If you put int, it is a int object. Okay, understand. Maybe it is a type num is a int object. So to confirm that, we will use is instance. Okay, we can try a comma object. Okay, it is true, and this is the same thing for num also. Okay, okay, even num integer is object. Now we can also see what all methods we can do it with this string or integer. Let me try with a. If you put dar, it lists out all the methods you can do with this. Okay, so since it is from an object, all the object methods are also inherited for this int or string. Okay, so all those can also be done using this objects we have in Python. Okay, hope this gives you a clarity that just understand no objects in Python, all are all are objects in Python and no primitives. So there is nothing called value types in Python. Thank you. Have a nice day.